Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
These are farfalles. They call them bow ties. But that's a pasta. This is fresh ground chicken. This is... That's panko. Those are breadcrumbs. That's one egg. That's some garlic. I'm going to mince that. Get a little olive oil. I get some sun-dried tomatoes. Some Parm cheese, shredded. We got some green beans. Got the oven set for 400. We got the water starting to boil. We got Foster. I'm trying to make, these are going to be chicken meatballs with farfalle and a little veg. You can put whatever veg you want. I decided to use these green beans. I'm going to put these meatballs together. We're going to throw them in the oven. You just watch what we do. It's going to be killer dilly. Check it out. All right, what I'm doing first, we're going to mince this garlic. I'm just going to give it a good, nice mince. It's going to go into the meatballs, so you want to give it a good mincy. That sound you hear in the background, that's the water trying to boil. So I'll chop this garlic up good. All right, let's get that done. Nothing like the smell of fresh garlics. All right, mince those up good. All right, we're gonna put a pound of chicken in here. I'm gonna toss this egg in there. Get that guy in. All right, we're gonna put a 1/4 cup of panko in there. Let's just eyeball it. That looks like a 1/4 to some people. We're gonna put 4 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. So that's what someone said to somebody. A little salt. Put some pepper in there. Let's put that minced garlic in there. That's why we minced it. We're gonna put like 3 tablespoons of the Parm. That's 1, 2, 3. You eyeball it, Mike. You don't know if you got it right. Now here's the part that everybody loves putting your hands in here, is mix it up. Okay, I'm being honest, I don't like this part. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, I mean, sometimes you gotta do stuff you don't like. You're gonna mix this, schmixy, jinxy minxy. Mix it good, like you should. Eyeball it, make sure everything's good. Guess what, in my eyes, I think I need a little more panko. So I'm gonna put a little more panko in there. Franco panko, and a little more cheese. This is why you do it by hand. Mixy. You see it? Yeah. All right. I gotta tell you, those tomatoes are delicious. All right, I like doing stuff. You mix it good. Just a little more tomato in there. All right, let's get it mixed. We got that oven going 400. We got the pasta water going for the farfalles, Chris Farley's brother, Farfalle. All right. All right, that's mixed. I don't care what anyone says. Take that casserole dish. Put a little olive oil in it. That's what some people do. And then you're gonna make these little meatballs like this. Like that, you see them? That's the way to do it. We're gonna put them all in there. All right, I'm gonna fill this thing with meatballs. And the next time you see this, it'll be full of meatballs. I'll see you then. I told you you'd see a bunch of meatballs. You see that? That looks great, huh? So now you're just gonna put more olive oil on this. A couple tablespoons. I love olive oil, I got a problem with it. And you're gonna throw those green beans in there. All right, a little pepper. A little salt. So we're gonna put this in here. Put it right in the middle. That's good. Okay, let's let this cook for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Definitely until it's done. We'll see then. All right, there's 20 minutes. I'm gonna test that and see how we're doing, but this should be ready. What I'm gonna do here though, as part of this recipe, you need some of the liquid. I'm just gonna take a little of the liquid in here, about a half a cup. Did you see what I did? Yeah. Put that over here. Farfalle's getting ready. I'm gonna make sure this chicken is cooked, and then I'll show what I do next. Put this bad boy together. That's the meatballs with some stuff in it. All right, let's put this bad boy together. Still a little more to do. All right, what we have to do now is we're gonna put just a little olive oil down just for here. I'm gonna put some more of these dried tomatoes. That's how people do things in this place. That looks good. Mix that all in. I'm not kidding around now. I'm not kidding right now. No one's kidding. I'm gonna put some oregano. Because I realized there was nothing green in there, and I get upset when I see nothing green. Okay, a little pepper. And some salt, 1, 2, that's all. And then for now, just a little shredded parm. Now the tough part, I'm just gonna throw all the meatballs and everything in there. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Let's mix that all in, mixy schmixy. Wow. And then while that happens, we're gonna put this liquid back in. All right, mixy schmixy. Oh, look at that. That thing looks awesome. It does look awesome, doesn't it? Meatballs are holding it. Oh, gorgeous. A little more olive oil, because that's what people want. A little more cheese, because again, that's what the people have been screaming for. Well, this is the farfalle vegetable and Mediterranean meatballs. Let's get a close-up, serve this up, see how this bad boy tastes. There it is, farfalle, beans, Mediterranean chicken style meatballs. Let's just call it farfalle and meatballs. It's gorgeous. Can't wait for a big bite. Let's do it. All right, there it is. I'm gonna use the big spoon for the farfalles. Oh, here's one of those chicken meatballs. They're delicious. A little bean, if you know what I mean. Even add more cheese because I'm a cheese freak. I gotta tell you, really good. The killer is the chicken meatballs. They're awesome. So without further ado, for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I got some outtakes for you, stay tuned. I dropped things, spilled things, hurt myself. Oh, that's good. So we get chicken, we got an egg. Everything's disgusting so far. Recently. Mix it. Stop being an idiot. Put a little more tomato in there. Do you see it? Of course you do. That's what we're doing. It's getting there, you see? Oh, you can't see nothing, I'm fogged up. That one went on the floor, I'm not putting that one in there. I shouldn't, because there's another one. Let the cat eat it. We don't have a cat. And let the monkey eat it. He's always on the floor. Nothing to see here. And that takes you to the next level, and you can even use a spoon. And that's a spoon, right? I said fork. I said fork in my mind, but spoon in my mouth. All right. That's in the outtake. I'm not going to admit to that one. All right. I don't care what anyone says. That's really good. Is it the babu? It is. Sweet babu piece. But only one thing better than the ba was the ba-ba. Look at that. Who's playing? Guess. Yep. See how this scored a touchdown? I'm not a Seattle fan. I'm a New England Patriot fan now. I'm gonna probably lose. I'm gonna lose fans now. But this guy, Russell Wilson, he's pretty good. Alrighty.